Hi everyone, how are you? How's going on? So this is just one interaction session. We'll discuss about some issues we'll take and we'll have some interaction with each other. We'll tell about something which how we can move ahead in this program. So anybody want to start? So first of all, thanks to join the session. And so how are you finding this program till now? Is it helping you or you are able to learn something from this? Yeah, you can unmute and we can discuss some inputs. Sachin, Ridvi.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Am I
yeah.
audible?
Yes, audible, audible.
Sir, I have just received this link of this group on Telegram. That's why I'm just new. I did not know about this initiative and I do not have any information regarding it. But I'm ready to give my 100% for
Okay.
participation in this system.
All right, all right. No issue. So, are you facing any problem in preparation?
Yes, sir. When it comes to the geographical perspective and thought,
Okay.
I have a very weak information about that, and I have no information where should I read that thought and all. I don't know. For example, yesterday I was searching about postmodernist feminism, and I do not find any single data on that, even on Google. This is the question, and I've seen question coming on that topic too in geographical optional.
Okay. Yeah. So it means you have issue regarding the material, like which book we need to read, correct?
No,
And
sir. Only on geographical thought, I have a problem regarding source, not on any other section.
there are two sources. One is like you can go for some traditional book like Majid Hussain or any other ID Dikshit, I think, or somebody like there are 2 3 books are there, right? So I think like Majid Hussain one is easy to read, and the second thing is you can take refer any coaching notes. So coaching notes like guidance or any other like market you will find a lot of notes, right? So in those notes we can did you try in that notes to find this?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have taken a coaching from Direction IES, Neetu ma'am.
Okay.
When I was taking a coaching, and on the day of geographical perspective, I have to leave my class for some personal issue. That's why this whole section have messed up.
Oh, right, right. Okay. So but you would have notes, no, like from your friends or somebody like her class notes.
Yes, I do have class notes, but I am missing 1 day class. That's why I do not have those class notes for particular 1 day, and that was the foundation day of particular thought. The
Thoughts.
whole section has been messed up.
Yeah, this problem is many people are having this issue. Like perspective is like concepts people are finding very difficult to understand. Okay. So we'll have one session like one class, a small class on perspective. So in that one,
Actually, sir, when it comes to the environmentalism, determinism, or possibilism, probabilism, quantitative revolution, behavioralism, these are fine. I have done. I have created my own notes on these. Or
okay,
when it comes to the school, British school, USSR school, American school, that I have done too.
okay.
But
So
postmodernism is my totally weak, and about especially this Carl Ritter, and when it comes to person to person, when we study in a school, so mostly we read about a one sentence or two sentence related to the person. But
correct.
when question ask about a particular thought person, like Humboldt, for
Mhm.
example, I have information regarding Humboldt. He was the inductive scientist who believe in to field study,
Correct.
and he was the in support of this determinism. And I think he was the one who said that people in inner Asia, Turkey people have small eyelid because of geography. He was the one who said this compared to the Caucasian people. These were the words of Humboldt, I think.
Okay, actually,
Determinism. He supported in
similar,
determinism.
like some Arabia, like lot of geographers said like this, environmentalism, environmental determinism. But thing is, okay, so you are saying you are having knowledge, little knowledge about the like geographers, but question comes especially one or two, you have to explain in more detail, correct? So
Yes, yes. What if question come for 16 marker? Then we have to give at least 1 page or 2 page. We can't write 1 or 2 line.
see there is like you will find like 20, 30, 35 geographers, like main one.
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
But it's not possible to remember all them, and UPSC will not ask like very unknown type geographers directly. So they will ask only those geographers which are very much prominent in the like this Humboldt you to said, right? So
Mm.
so these type like main one which is having like very much significance in the geography. So those only they will ask directly, like give this his concept or his story, like this they will ask. But but in this one, but if they are want to ask about others, so they will ask for full school. Suppose American school, British school, Russian school. Russian geographers, they have very like few significance, right? We don't know details.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
so if you see PYQ, na, they will not ask any particular Russian geographer and put something. They will either ask main, even it will have very less cost benefit, right? So for curiosity, you can read about them. Actually,
No, sir. I have no interested in curiosity.
so
I
see,
just want to.
no, it's not about the just answer. See, you if once you read about them, no, like suppose 20 geographers.
ये फोन
So,
कनेक्ट ही नहीं हो रहा, पता नहीं जूम क्लास में, मैं भी यही देख रही हूँ.
okay, so thing is ki, like once you know about geographers, then it will help you to write, you quote that geographer name in the answers. Like you have to give reference to different geographers, right, in writing answers. So once you know
Yes, sir.
more detail, you can put like you can put that examples in the your answers. So that way it will help. You need not write full answer, but even in between you can put some concept or some lines about them, right? So we
Right.
can go through a little bit more in detail in that, but basically you need not to mug up everything, just for basic reference. Only main geographers only you have to read about in detail. So main like best way is to go for PYQs. Go through PYQs, you see which geographers they have asked, like, so those geographers you prepare in more detail, right?
Right.
So like that, like you once you read the geography, you will understand these are having very much significance, these are having less significance. So at least five, 6 you prepare well. That's enough, right?
Right.
So all right. So and we'll have some more connecting sessions on that, especially perspective. So people will have more understanding. It will improve the flow understanding, even historical background. People find difficult to connect the timeline, how it happened, how it got evolved, right? So
Right.
we'll have one session on that. So any other doubts, Sachin?
सर जैसे आज आपने, कैन आई स्पीक इन हिंदी?
हाँ, yes, no problem.
ओके ओके सर. जैसे आज आपने ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का दिया था, उसमें कौन, अगर ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का हम डिफरेंशिएट कैसे करेंगे? अभी फॉर एग्जांपल टेक्निकल लैंग्वेज लिख सकते हैं, ट्रांसपिरेशन टाइप, अल्बीडो, ठीक है, और जो सी में हमारा जो फॉर डिफॉरेस्टेशन से जो ग्रीन हाउस स्टॉक है जो एटमॉस्फेयर में रिलीज हो रहा है, वो सब लिख सकते हैं. पर हाउ विल वी डिफरेंशिएट फ्रॉम ऑप्शनल वन?
Yeah, see, GS and optional, like it will have overlap, right? So this is very much required. We should make your answer different from GS and optional. So you see, if it is a GS3 answer and if it is an optional answer, what will make you different? Like suppose you are the copy checker, okay? You are checking the copy. Which thing you will see first? See, writing answer is same answer. So what will make your answer more geographical is first thing is your approach to the answer, right? Suppose you are taking global warming effect, right? So GS3 we can simply write what are the effects, social effect, economical effect, like that. But if it is a geographical student, you will take some regional approach. You can take regional approach, effect on the coastal areas, effect on the mountains, effect on the deserts, right? So
Right, right.
you can take aerial approach, regional approach, how it is happening, or you can take you can mention some with diagrams. You will show some diagrams, case studies. You will add some geographical names, IPCC reports, right? So these things, this more geographical terminology, more geographer names, linkages with syllabus. So that will make your optional like answer more optional oriented,
Yes, sir.
right? You can add some
Right.
global warming is there. You can say how a glacier will melt, coastal climate, and everything. You can link with that erosion, surfaces, everything, right? So those like syllabus, may optional syllabus keywords you have to use in answer. That will make your answer more option oriented, right?
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Anyone else? Ritika, Kamalika, Prithvi.
Yes, hello sir, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Sir, actually, like I told you, like I'm still on paper one. So,
Okay.
like मैंने ना अभी paper two, मतलब I have the coaching material, but I have not made the notes. So, what would you suggest me that I should make the notes because it's more of a theoretical part, or I just do my value addition in those reference material as it is? What do you suggest?
You're saying should we make notes or do value addition in the book itself, right?
Yes, yes.
See, you cannot, this optional, especially geography option syllabus is very huge. Okay. So we cannot make notes for everything, and even we should not make notes. So suppose one topic is there and you are finding, you can initially you can do value addition in the book itself in the margin or somewhere. Then you revise that book or that notes one or two times. Then you have to differentiate two things, which things which are you are tend to forget. Suppose some names are there, some years are there, or some headings are there. So for those things you can take it out, because the whole book is very difficult to revise, correct? Because it's such a big book. You can suppose before exam you want to revise within 1 week or within 3 days, so it will be very difficult. So for that you have to write micro notes, right? Micro notes is like a small one, like 2-3 columns you can put in one A4 sheet and write very short, only keywords, right? So like that of micro notes you can make. So but that also after one or two times revision, right?
Yeah, okay. Like I'm doing paper one, so I completed my oceanography module and I made some short crisp notes, like just the headings one, and like I know how to explain that. So that is fine, I guess.
Right. So I think this strategy you follow, like make short notes. And sorry, I could not hear in between what you said.
I said like I was studying oceanography today, and I made the short notes for some of the topics.
Right.
Like I just wrote the headings, and I know how to explain them in the answer.
Yes.
So I just made some crisp notes so I can revise it very quickly.
Yeah. So make two things, make short notes and you prepare one separate diagram for value addition, like case studies and diagrams. Okay. That should have a separate booklet.
Like that I'm written.
So you collect all
Yes, yes.
diagrams at one place and keep on revising that. So it will help you to put diagrams topic wise. So that will help you. Okay. So
Okay. Thank you, sir.
thank you. Anything else? Anyone?
हेलो सर।
Yes.
हाँ सर, मैंने ऑप्शनल एक बार, मेरा नाम राहुल है और सर मैंने ऑप्शनल एक बार पढ़ लिया है, लेकिन सर जब भी मैं क्वेश्चंस देखता हूँ, जैसे आपके ग्रुप में कल मैंने क्वेश्चंस देखा था कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ अरब जोग्राफर्स जो भी था, और आज के क्वेश्चंस में तो मुझे वो आइडिया नहीं लग रहा था कि क्या है, लेकिन जब मैं मॉडल आंसर देखता हूँ तो मुझे समझ में आ जाता है।
हाँ।
कि मतलब कि जैसे कि आज क्वेश्चन था रिटर और हम्बोल्ट में डिफरेंस, तो मुझे मैं आउटलाइन बना रहा था कि अप्रोच में डिफरेंस होगा, ह्यूमन एनवायरनमेंट रिलेशनशिप में होगा, जर्नल्स में डिफरेंस होगा। तो सर मैं जब मॉडल आंसर देखता हूँ तो मुझे समझ में आ जाता है, लेकिन मैं पहले ऐसे नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ कि मतलब कि क्या करना चाहिए इसमें, इसलिए मुझे थोड़ा सा ये फियर भी हो रहा है। और मैंने एक बार पढ़ा है, मतलब हिमांशु सर से मैंने क्लास लिया है, तो मतलब और क्या करना चाहिए सर इसमें थोड़ा?
हाँ, तुमने आंसर राइटिंग करी है, मतलब थोड़े आंसर लिखे हैं पहले?
सर मैं जीएस में मैं कंफर्टेबल हो जाता हूँ सर, लेकिन इसमें मुझे नहीं किया है मैंने सर, तो थोड़ा सा
हाँ,
इशू
तो
है
ये
वही।
प्रॉब्लम जो है ना वो आंसर राइटिंग की है। शायद तुमने आंसर पहले लिखा नहीं है ना, इसलिए तुम्हारे दिमाग में थॉट्स नहीं आते। मतलब एक्चुअली क्या होता है ना कि क्वेश्चन जब तुम एक बार लिख लोगे ना, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस कर लोगे, तो उससे क्या होता है कि क्वेश्चन देखते ही तुम्हारे मन में थॉट्स आने लगते हैं, स्ट्रक्चर बन जाता है कि हेडिंग क्या आएगी, इंट्रोडक्शन में क्या लिखेंगे, कंक्लूजन में क्या लिखेंगे, है ना। तो वो चीज थोड़ा आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस से आएगा। तो वो ये फर्स्ट थिंग। और सेकंड थिंग ये है कि जब तुम मतलब अगर तुम आंसर लिखते भी नहीं हो ना, तो थोड़ा ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग करो, सोचो कि इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे लिख सकते हैं। और जब भी तुम कोई टॉपिक पढ़ रहे
जी
हो ना,
सर।
तो उसको पीवाईक्यू साथ में रखो उसके। तो पीवाईक्यू, तो उसको साथ में रख के जस्ट उसको रिफर करो कि लाइक तुमने एक टॉपिक पढ़ लिया, सपोज तुमने इन्वायरमेंटल डिटर्मिनिज्म पढ़ लिया या पॉसिबिलिज्म पढ़ लिया, तो पीवाईक्यू देखो कि कौन से क्वेश्चन आए हुए हैं उस
यस
टॉपिक से रिलेटेड, रेडिकलिज्म से रिलेटेड कौन सा टॉपिक क्वेश्चन
यस
आया
सर।
हुआ है। तो उस आप फिर ये सोचो कि जो तुमने पढ़ा है अभी जस्ट नाउ, उसको उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन के हिसाब से तुम कैसे उसको लिखोगे उस आंसर को, समझे। तो ये मतलब मेंटल प्रैक्टिस हो जाती है तुरंत, कि जैसे तुमने पढ़ा कोई टॉपिक, तुरंत ही उसके क्वेश्चन देखा पीवाईक्यू में, और देखा कि उसको कैसे लिखोगे, क्या हेडिंग बनाओगे, क्या अप्रोच रहेगा, और तुम्हारा जो तुमने जो पढ़ा हुआ है वो सफिशिएंट है कि नहीं है उसके लिए, है ना। तो वो साइड बाय
जी
साइड
सर।
पीवाईक्यू को करते जाओ, तो इससे ना माइंड थोड़ा मेकअप हो जाएगा। अभी तुम्हें ये चीज लग रही है, अगर तुम कुछ भी थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करो, थोड़ा अपना दिमाग को लगाओ, मतलब है ना, थोड़ा अपना दिमाग लगाने की कोशिश करो, तुम लिखो कुछ भी लिखो, लाइक यू ट्राई टू राइट एनीथिंग इवन इट इज रॉन्ग आल्सो डजंट मैटर, है ना। वो हम रिव्यू में तो सही कर देंगे ना उसको, तुम लिखने का ट्राई करो। जब 1 वीक हो जाएगा, 10 दिन हो जाएगा, 15 दिन हो जाएगा ना, तो काफी चेंजेस लगेंगे तुमको, क्वेश्चन देखते ही तुम्हें समझ में आने लगेगा, अच्छा ऐसे होता है। ये बहुत जल्दी पिकअप करता है एक्चुअली। डर भी ज्यादा लगता है, और एक बार तुमने स्टार्ट किया तो बहुत जल्दी पिकअप करेगा ये,
ये सर मैं वही फियरफुल ज्यादा हो गया हूँ थोड़ा सा।
क्योंकि
और
वो
मैंने सर वो और सब अच्छे अच्छे आंसर्स लिख रहे हैं, तो वो मुझे और मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुझे तो कुछ है ही नहीं, जो भी मैं जानता था वो भी भूल रहा हूँ, ऐसा लग रहा है।
हाँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। देखो अ, अभी अभी ना स्टार्ट में ज्यादा पैनिक नहीं होना है, बहुत सिंपल होता है। तुम अपनी नोट्स उठा लो, बुक उठा लो, गूगल कर लो, कुछ भी करके धीरे धीरे आंसर लिखना चालू करो, ठीक है। अभी ऐसा मत सोचो कि मैं सब कुछ बंद करके
जी
तुरंत
सर।
अपने मन से लिखने चलूंगा, क्योंकि देखो जैसे कि जो छोटा बच्चा होता है ना, तो जब वो मतलब चलना सीखता है, तो पहले वो धीरे से खड़ा होना सीखता है, फिर वो वैसा वो सहारा लेके चलता है ना, दौड़ धीरे धीरे। उसके बाद में फिर
जी सर।
उसके पैर थोड़ा मजबूत हो जाते हैं, फिर उसका भी सहारा नहीं लेता है, सीधे खड़ा हो जाता है, फिर धीरे धीरे चलना सीखता है, फिर दौड़ना सीखता है। तो इस लाइक स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस, है ना। इवेल्युएशन होता है, लैंड फॉर्म का जैसे बनता है वैसे ये भी है। वो ऐसा जैसे वो होता नहीं है, वो ग्राफ में हम देखते हैं, तो वैसे ही मतलब स्लो वो बनेगा टेम्पो। तो अभी तुम नोट्स को रिफर करके देखो, कुछ भी थोड़ा बहुत गलत सही लिखने की कोशिश करो, बट वो बहुत जल्दी विद इन 1 वीक, 10 डेज, 15 डेज तुम्हारा मतलब तुम्हें फिर मतलब खुद ही सब कुछ ज्यादा रिफर करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, माइंड काम करने लगेगा। अभी तुम्हें इनर्शिया ब्रेक करना है दिमाग का, है ना। क्योंकि अब कभी वो जो फियर है ना उसके ऊपर आना है, उसके लिए तुम स्लोली स्टार्ट करो, अपना रिफर करके, डर हटा के, सब कुछ करके, ठीक है। अभी तुम और ज्यादा टाइम वाइम के चक्कर में मत पड़ो, बस क्वालिटी इंश्योर करो। आधा घंटा लिखो, कोई मैटर नहीं, आधा घंटा, 45 मिनट, 1 घंटा, बट तुम सोच सोच के लिखो, आराम से लिखो, बट लिखो। अभी जो तुम 1 घंटा लोगे ना, तो आफ्टर सम टाइम इट विल टेक ओनली हाफ एन आवर, एंड देन इट विल रिड्यूस विद प्रैक्टिस, राइट। ठीक है राहुल, और कुछ डाउट? राहुल, ठीक है। और और किसी का कोई डाउट? पृथ्वी, अक्षता, सॉरी, ठीक है। तो और कोई कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछना चाह रहा है? ठीक है, बेसिकली मैं अपना भी ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन दे देता हूँ। लाइक मैंने मतलब यूपीएससी में 9 अटेम्प्ट दिए हैं अभी तक, तो इस लाइक अभी मेरे अटेम्प्ट कंप्लीट हो गए हैं। तो 9 अटेम्प्ट आई गिवन विद ज्योग्राफी ऑप्शनल, है ना। तो अराउंड 10 years, 1 decade I was reading geography, and yeah, I wrote around 7 mains of UPSC. तो ज्योग्राफी में भी स्कोर अच्छा ही रहता था, लाइक इट्स रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 250 अराउंड दैट वे, और बाकी तो ठीक है. सो दिस brief background about me. तो अभी just I try to help with my knowledge, try to help you people. So I hope in some way I will able to help you in some way, right?
So you can ask them about the feedback about the program which you are conducting.
Yes.
You can ask them for the feedback.
Yeah. So how is the program going on? Are you like, I asked before also, like anybody want to tell something about improvement, what improvement we can make in that?
Feel free to speak. You can unmute your mics.
Yeah, you want to add something in that, or we can add some features in that program, or it is going good? Akshata?
It's going good, sir.
Okay. So, all right. Kamalika, Prithvi.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Prithvi.
A small request, sir, if possible, make some sessions regarding geographical current affairs or some concepts of optional syllabus.
Yeah, we will plan about that. Yeah. So that's why
Okay,
this is just an introduction session. So slowly we'll start making
Okay.
some classes, videos, and the other things. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Okay, then I think we can end the session now. It was just a get together session. I hope like we'll carry on the journey and we'll learn a lot of things together. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.